Hey, MCK for this game, now me go beat you. No
Sorry,
worry.
you no reach.
You know, say I'm better at FIFA.
I hear word, you no
just
reach.
do like 10-0. Don't worry.
I say I hear word, bro. You no reach, I beg. You no reach.
Oh, why you pause the game now?
Guy, wait, I beg. Hello, baby. You alright? Oh, you on your way? Yeah. See you soon. Bye.
Who be that?
Oh my guy, now that paro where I meet for Hinge now, that babe where they tell you about.
Correct guy. Oh, yeah, make I see her profile now. Make I view this babe. She makes sense, so. Wow, she's full of surprises. What kind of surprises?
Almost see guy no vex, I beg. Can't they go house?
Make her at least still chill now till she call me.
Guy, no. See, she no too like strangers. Can't they go house, I beg.
So they chase me come up because of babe. Babe, we never even see her.
No wahala. See, we go yarn later. Can't just they go house, guy. Go house.
No be so, MCK. You just they chase me away. No wahala. I don't come out too. She feel reach here now. Maybe say what I order is not what I got.
No come do my parole, I beg. Yeah, I'm coming. Wow. Damn, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. See babe now. See babe. So feel free. Welcome to my home.
Okay, thank you.
So tell me, how was your day?
Fine, and yours?
My day was okay. Just chilling, you know. So hope you're okay anyway.
Yes, and you?
You seem too quiet. Just feel free. Relax.
Okay, thank you.
Now wow. Why this girl they behave like AI? What would you like to watch?
Nothing.
So what do you like?
Nothing.
What do you do for fun?
Nothing.
Wahala deo. I don't go carry cultists be that. See, don't be shy. Just feel free. Just be yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so what can I offer you? What would you like to eat?
Apple.
Just apple? Do you care for any drink?
Nothing.
Why this girl they do like evil spirit? Okay, just hold on, I'll be back.
Okay.
So, here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I forgot to get a knife to cut the apple. Just hold on a minute.
Don't worry, I'll use my own knife.
What are you doing with the knife?
I play with it when I'm bored.
You say?
I said I play with it when I'm bored.
Wonderful. I no go carry babe online again. This one I one chance, guy.
What's the problem?
Nothing.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. And you?
You're just too quiet, Joe. I'm getting really bored. Let's play a game. First of all, turn off the light.